Good day everyone, I am Raymond Arlambao and we are the group 7. So our topic was about Horton model and Phillips equation. So first, the Horton model is a method of estimating runoff and stream flow from rainfall, while Phillips equation is used to predict infiltration in soils. Robert Elmer Horton, 1865 to 1945, he was a prominent. So if we say prominent, well-known. So American civil engineer and hydrologist is known for his pioneering contribution to the field of hydrology, particularly in understanding surface, water flow and infiltration processes. Created the Horton model in 1933. Second one, we will understand about the Horton model. So the Horton model was introduced in 1933 by Robert E. Horton, which is a hydrological model used to estimate rate of runoff from rainfall. It is a runoff water flow from land. It considers infiltration. It is an infiltrate water to the soil. So surface and base flow. The model assumes constant fixed rainfall intensity. So it's widely used in hydrological studies and watershed management. So there are some key assumptions of the Horton model. First, constant intensity assumes a constant rainfall intensity over a given area. Second one, infiltration capacity. So may kapasidad. Assume steady infiltration rate until the soil reaches its maximum capacity. So may kapasidad, so it may possible na it will create flood kapag puno na or hanggang mag-max yung capacity. Constant evaporation assumes a constant rate of evaporation from the soil surface.
Good morning everyone. I am about to discuss the Horton evaporation equation. So it assumes that the evaporation capacity of given soil is governed by Horton's equation. So Horton's equation for the rate of infiltration at time at V is equal to Fc plus open parenthesis Fo minus Fc close parenthesis T raised to the power of negative kT. And for the depth of infiltration at time is Ft is equal to Fc raised to the power of T Fo minus Fc over K open parenthesis 1 minus T raised to the power of negative kT close parenthesis, where Ft infiltration rate of daily time open parenthesis In, where Ft is equal to infiltration rate at daily time open parenthesis In over R close parenthesis. Ft is equal to final infiltration capacity open parenthesis In over R close parenthesis. So Fo is equal to the initial infiltration capacity open parenthesis In over AR close parenthesis. So K is equal to the empirical constant at open parenthesis R raised to the power of negative 1 close parenthesis. So T is equal to the time from the beginning rate of rain open parenthesis R close parenthesis. So the sample problem, the initial infiltration capacity Fo of a watershed is estimated as 1.5 In over R, and the time constant is taken to be 0.35 R raised to the power of negative 1. The equilibrium capacity of Fc is 0.2 In over HR. Use Horton's equation to find A, that values of at T is equal to 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 6 hours. And B is the total volume of infiltration over a 6-hour period. So the solution is F is equal to Fc plus open parenthesis Fo minus Fc close parenthesis E negative kT. So F is equal to 0.2 In over R plus open parenthesis 1.5 In over R R minus 0.20 IN over R close parenthesis E raised to the power of negative 0.35 R raised to the power of negative 1 T, where T is equal to 10 minutes and F is equal to 0.2 IN over R plus open parenthesis 1.8 liters over R close parenthesis E minus raised to the power of 0.35 R minus minutes and T is equal to 10 minutes equal to 1 over 6 R. So F is equal to 0.2 IN over R plus open parenthesis 1.3 IN over R close parenthesis E minus 0.35 R raised to the power of negative 1.16 R. So F is equal to 1.43 IN over R.
My topic it's all about derivation and formulation of Phillips equation. Phillips equation introduced by physicians John Robert Phillips is derived from Darcy's law and Richard equation and Sowell physics. The equation formulates the infiltration process in unsaturated soils, considering both equality and matrix potential effects. It has been widely used in modeling water movement in the Vaucluse zone and has implication in environmental and agricultural studies. Phillips equation 1957, f of t equals s times t to the 1/2 plus at, where f of t equals cumulative infiltration, s equals sorptivity, a is equal transmissivity, K sub O is equal hydraulic conductivity. Relationship between transmissivity, hydraulic conductivity. According to Donem, 1976, transmissivity A is related to the soil's saturated hydraulic conductivity K sub O.